Sorry for the false start. It happens to be like that. I'm just getting used to it. Like, false starts and stuff like that is the reason why I had to have a hard time getting into streaming in the first place. And yeah, thank you, Afro Ninja. I'm breaking out of my shell. You're my inspiration, man. I didn't think I could do it, but you make it look easy, so I thought I couldn't do it. Okay, so I have to first go back once again. I have to spam. I think I have the right link. I think I have the right link posted this time. Who else can I spam? I gotta send out something on blue, what's it called? Blue Sky? Game Distrobot followed me, that's cool. It's cool. It's like every little bit counts. I'm gonna send the same message as before. Streaming some Cheddar Beach Blackjack on Game Dev on Twitch. Ugh. This is the right link. I showed the wrong thumbnail though. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see if it works. So today, I'm gonna work on a little bit of Cheddar Beach Blackjack. I think I should start by showing where I'm at. Okay, it works. I just have to, wait, no. Let's look at my new post. What did the new post say? What did the new post say? Okay. I'm talking on the post, so it worked. It's just not showing the right thumbnail. Oh, daughter said it's fun. That's good. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds great, actually. So, I just put out. So, is this too loud? Maybe it's too loud. Oh, these are too loud. I normally have my own speakers lower, because you can hear it on the stream. Okay, so, where am I? So I should have notes or something like that. I don't have any notes. I'll just show where I'm at right now with the game. There we go. I think I did my bare minimum telling some people. Oh, and I forgot, there's homies I haven't told. What is it? My homie Griznak. Okay, I told Griznak. And then, fuck it. I'm gonna tell this fool too. Oh no, he told me some good. Let me get back to him. Okay, cool. Alright, so what am I doing right now? I'm trying to figure out where I'm starting for this session, but first thing I'll do is play the game, so y'all can see where it's at. The last session I spent some time, I hate how I do this. I don't know how to change it now. There's a setting. I'm trying to figure out why this thing always displays too tall for my screen. I was just pressing random settings, and then one of the settings made the settings go away. So whatever, I'll figure it out. Stuff like that will take up the entire hour, so I'm trying to move past the things that is not really that important. 2 of diamond, but not 2 of hearts. Ooh, lucky. Okay, so I think I should try to show. It takes me too long to finish this. Where's the other 2 of diamonds is here. And so I'm not keeping track of the score or how many. Oh, I think I am keeping track of how many turns you made, but I'm not displaying that. This is freaking hard. It's a 5 of spades, 3 of spades, 2 of hearts is up here somewhere, right? 2 of hearts. There's a 9 of diamond, jack of diamond, jack of diamond. So I didn't change. For testing, I would normally make it so it's less tries. But we're doing it. Yeah, we're doing it real, so I can show that it really works. Even though I'm not good at guessing these things, I'm using like a small fragment of my mental capacity. Or yeah, maybe I'm using all of it. This is the best I can do. Okay, and then it shows the round end screen. Responsive, sort of responsive. I actually didn't really make it. It doesn't really respond vertically. Huh. Actually does do a pretty good job. So I have some issues with the game. So one of the issues, I don't know what's going on here. I might have to worry about this later. Puzzle Bobble. The last one was Sim City. It's a lot of the same song. This is the same playlist I was playing the other day, so you'll hear a lot of the similar songs. And you know, I think for it could probably fit in a Puzzle Bobble. It might be the same musician, you know, because like I think you're talking about the Street Fighter music the other day. I don't think I have any Street Fighter music in here in particular, but I have music from the composer of Street Fighter 2. I think that's Yoko Shimomura, if I'm correct. So one of the issues that I have is that I just noticed if I click, so I made the game to be in this kind of I designed it to be kind of in a phone. It's actually more like this, like a phone aspect ratio, and it's kind of hard coded for that size. But if things are outside of this little square, you can't click on it. So I can't click on this one, I can't click on that one. I fixed it in an earlier version. I can get around it though. If I can just censor this, it'll be fine. So let me try to fix that, because that's kind of, it's just creates a problem with the gameplay. And so how can I fix that? Is this the settings? I don't know if this is how it gets back to the settings. Shit, I don't know what I just did. Oh, I hit it. What the hell? How does that even work? What the hell? Why would it even hide it if I had it here? This is supposed to be the actual game. Yeah, growing pains. Okay, so if I stretch this out, I can't select. Wait, I can select. So that means something. There's something game match. Something outside of the game that's preventing me from clicking. So game container. Let me just turn off all this stuff. Wait, let's see. This stuff is the title screen. Screen manager. Screen title. So this is the title screen. So when you get in the game, title screen disappears, so you just have the game. And I think I'm hiding. I must have hided. Must have hided the game. It's not broken, is it? We got errors. These are errors that maybe don't matter. Okay, I just did that. So I think that was just because I what the feezy? Oh, this one. I hit the game container. So I'm trying to do better at forcing myself to jump on the stream. It's fun sometimes, but I get caught up with trying to be awake. Sometimes I'm just too lazy. Okay, so there's a problem here. It's weird. It feels like, oh, this isn't it. Game. It's funny, I fixed this, but I fixed it in an earlier version. I don't know what I changed. Okay, now it works. So is it the table? The table blocks clicks. See, this is what I don't understand about this is Godot. The table's underneath. So I guess the clicks must come from the bottom to the top or something like that. The table's underneath because you can see the cards over the table, but still the table somehow blocks the clicks above. This is something I didn't have to, like, once I got it working in Cheddar Beach, I didn't change it. So, oh no, maybe I'm wrong. This doesn't even work now. Okay, it works when I hide the table. And then it works when I put this back, so it doesn't work. When I hide this, it doesn't work. I don't understand how this works. What is in here? Okay, that goes around that size. So if I just... None of these should accept any clicks. I have no idea why this would block anything. Okay, let's just take a look. This is something, yeah, I didn't really, like, once I got it. The problem with some things is that once you get it working, you don't go back and figure out exactly why it didn't work in the first place. I didn't really look into it because I had got it working. And so, this is a propagate up. So I think the clicks must go from bottom to top or something like that. It's not something I always assume it would go from top to bottom because you see from the top to the bottom. Gotta deal with another programmer's assumptions of what's right. That's why people complain about game engine. But I am not the one to go build his own game engine, so I have to deal with it. So it seems that was set. So this one was set to different settings that I wanted. Oh, it says pass propagate up, so it has something to do with, I don't know, from top to bottom. Like the clicks are only registered when it hits the table. Okay, clicks work outside of the area now. I'll have to remember that, that's the problem. I'm gonna forget exactly what happened. Okay, at least somebody was here to witness that. So we want more levels, we want sound effects. That's what we're hearing from our fans. We want levels, we want sound effects. Let's see if I can get some levels together. Afro Ninja says, I think you're overthinking it, man. Being on camera shouldn't be a problematic task. Hey man, you know they have a word. They have a word called stage fright. And maybe that's something what I have. even though it's imagined. And so, oh shit, man says, my daughter was watching the stream and asking about you, and she thinks I'm lying. Thinks I'm lying and don't know you because you're streaming, and she thinks only famous people stream, and I don't know famous people. Man, well, I'm glad I can be a famous person. Well, you know, you have to educate her. I guess there's different types of fame, right? There's like the local fame, you know, the streaming fame, you know, the Hollywood fame. I'm not the famous streamer because I don't got 1 million followers. I think you at least have to have 1,000. Yeah, I'm more famous for other things. Maybe being a drunk. I'm more famous for being a drunkard and game fanatic. Let's see here. So, what do I do next? I don't know how to go about making different levels. I've been thinking about this a lot. And so right now I have this card container. I think I'm just gonna make, how do I do this? What is the card container for? So I have, this thing buzzes. I have this card container. So how this works right now is that I've just laid out all these cards. I wanted to put the maximum amount of cards. It's 25, but technically, because it's 5 by 5, but then it has to be even number because it's matching. So you can't have an odd number. You have to have a pairs. And so what I'm doing is I have a reference. The game has a reference to the card container, and then it looks for everything named. Let me have to set up VS Code. Is this it? This is it. Is this, what is it called? Game match. Game match, card container, and it looks for every child based on the name. It's gonna be, I don't even know what the hell this is. Card prefix or the card prefix? Card prefix underscore. Oh yeah, this is just changing the number, a double-digit number, into a string. So it will be, 1 will be 01, 01, 02, 03, blah blah blah, up until, and so it just finds those cards by the name. And so what I was thinking, I don't have a good way of doing this. And this is just for visibility. This shows me, I just have this little light black border around it just to show where the area is, to help me when I'm looking at the game. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna lay these out by hand. I'll make a level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. That's gonna get me there faster. I have lots of smarter ways of doing things, but I'm just gonna do this. It's always a balance between like quick and dirty. I can do this right now. I don't have to think. A lot of times I just don't like to think. So I do level. I just do different levels. Level 1. Call it layout 1. So I might have multiple levels on the same layout. And each one of these children is going to have a different set of cards. And for now, I'll just lay them out by hand. They're kind of crooked. I guess I could fix this a little bit. I don't think this thing has any spacing tools. Can't lock this stuff. Yeah, it's annoying. This doesn't do anything. I need this shown. So I can't click through it because the screen is on top of it, and I have to hide the screen. The problem with hiding stuff is that you're gonna forget to turn it back on, and you'll probably see that later in the stream. So I want to make these more straight before I copy and paste them. I don't think there's any automatic spacing tools. I have to search. All you know is looking for distribute with. I guess not if it's not coming up. Oh, line. I'll do Godot line objects. Seeing something about Godot 3. Oh, you can anchor. Anchors isn't helpful. Pointless. Some people are idiots. Looking at Godot or looking at Reddit. It's like so many people, if they can't understand why you're gonna use something, it's not necessary. Okay, I'm asking for too much. Why would there be alignment? Why would there be alignment tools? Okay, basically to get what I'm talking about, I should just show it. Afro Ninja like that shit don't exist. It's just a word, like you said. Yeah, man. That's like those people that get in trouble with the income tax. It's just a word, man. Yeah, I guess I don't have stage fright. That's been my whole journey. With what does this group do? I never knew you could have groups. Dog bone. Center selection. Alignment, rotation, snaps, snap relative. Maybe that's something will work. Snap relative, what does that mean? That'll be snapping relative to the position of another object. Nope. Okay. I'm just gonna have to do this by hand. So what I was demonstrating before I interrupted myself. I have boxes. What am I doing? I have boxes. I have 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hit a tool like this. You know, align them vertically. So you're aligned vertically, and then it distributes them by the width. Flash had something like that. That's a Macromedia product. We don't have that. So let's just what are these positions? See if the positions are a number that I'm fine with. I want it to be round. I've laid these out by hand, so it's gonna be a weird position. The first one is an X x of negative 258. Are these centered? Let's see with x is 0. Oh, negative 258. It's not aligned at all. So where's the center? The center of this thing. Where the hell's the center of that? See, this is why I did not want to get into it too much. Let's just lay them out by hand. Let's just eyeball it. Oops. I don't feel like doing this too much. Okay. Let's just make sure they're all in the same height if they're in the same row. So position is negative 320. I don't like this. Let's do negative 260. Round number at least. So this is all negative 320. Select all the first row. Does that work? Does not work. Only affects the first one I select. Okay, let's do that then. These are in alignment. And negative 30. So, I don't know, did it work? It didn't work, did it? Okay, that worked. And the first one here is Y position of 260. Copy that. Set all of these to 260. Next one. So Y of 545. Set all these to 545. Already 545. Might as well select the number. Oops, let me find 21 is at 820. A little bit too close. So let's see. 16. Let's use calculator. 16 is at 545. And then 11 is at 260. So 285. So 545 plus 285. $830. Why 830? Okay. Now let's do the vertical alignment. These look spaced up. These look. It's close enough. So I'll use that as a reference. 2 is at an x of. 2 is at an x of negative 54. 54 or 55? I want to be odd or even. 551. 50. 350. I don't know, 340. 345. 350. 550, 350. I just use 200. See how that works. 200. That means 350. 150. 150. How big are these cards anyway? 715. I don't even know how the math looks, but so it's what? The next one is 150, so it's negative 50. Negative 50. Okay, that works pretty well. Negative 50, and then what's it? Negative 250? Negative 260, negative 250. There, we're spaced evenly at least. Okay, I'm gonna change this from negative 250. Negative 250. Negative 50. I thought about, initially I was gonna do something to I guess lay these out by hand, or lay these out like automatically, but then I thought, you know, maybe because I have a situation like this where it's uneven, I was gonna place them by hand anyway. So I was like, okay, maybe I can make like different shapes. I don't know. So that might be interesting, you know. To just have like this level is a diamond shape or something like that. Just for some kind of variety, like those mahjong matching games. So I said, let's just do it by hand for now. Cause I don't intend to make. I guess I could make hundreds of levels, then I'll do it smart. But this is just matching game. I don't think I need 100 levels. If I go that far, then I'll probably make it a standalone title. Right now, this is like a bonus mode. I need 5. Okay, we're evened out. Even our, oh. This one I didn't update. I got that all off. Gonna be a lot of cards here. I'll do it like this for now. It'll be quicker this way. I think eventually I'll make these, maybe I'll make these separate and they're loaded in separately, but that's too much work for right now. Okay. So I'll do, so let's see. Let me think this out. So level 1 is probably gonna be like, I'll do like, I think 2x2. I could do 2x2. That's not that interesting. We'll do 3x2. 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 Then you can do 4x2. And what? 1, 2, 3. 3x3 is 9. I can't do 9. I can do, what is it? 6, 8. So that's 10. And then 10. And then this is 12. 12. And then I go 4x4. You know what that was? What was that? Cheers. Hey, peace out, man. Thanks for dropping in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16. So what does I have? I have 10, 12. How do I get 12? I got 6. So I can get 6. Wait, what am I doing here? I skipped one. 6, 8, 10. I need 12. How do I get 12? 16 minus 4. So I could do like this. See, this is might be interesting to just like do different design. I could do like that. That's 12, right? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 6, 12. 14. Oh, I can make a lot of stages, huh? Okay, 6, 8, 10. 12, 16. Okay, 14. So what do I do? How do I get 14? Just need to get rid of 2 of them. Make some design out of that somehow. And then I got 16. Oh, you're just smoking. Gotta remember this isn't my usual stoner stream. What? Oh man, I don't know what I said to make you think you're a British ninja. I forgot already. I'm too busy looking at these blocks. Look like I'm trying to decipher some kind of code. Shit. Yeah, I think that my problem is if I was actually making good progress, maybe I'll have a drink or something. But I'm just trying to get warmed up right now. I'm actually getting over a damn headache. I don't know. The cold weather is not doing me good. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. These are my levels. Let me just write it down. But yeah, these are my. I'm on caps lock already. These are my level layouts. Concepts anyway. I'm gonna have some fun with it. 6, 8. What is this? 1, 2, 3. It's 14, right? And this is 16. And we gotta do 20. 20 is, let's just do the easy ones first. 20, I can do 5 by 4. Oh yeah, I gotta throw the homies. Oh yeah, they're working though. They might not be working. Who did I? Got to hit up the group chat for the homies. Too damn long of a movie for an anime. I didn't see it. I just found out about the Batman Ninja anime. They have a sequel out. I guess the sequel's out. I just found out about it. Oh shit. Homegirl doing the talk. Sweet. This is this Sunday? Damn, it's already the 20th. Oh no. Okay. Can't commit yet, cause let's see. I'm gonna put the spam out. Friday, man, people are working. Normal people. I'm not the normal people. I guess I'm trying to work. I'm hitting though. It's hitting though. Just gonna try to stick here until I knock out. Good, man. You just got off physical work and then gotta do your remote work. That's good, man. You gotta. It's good to get off early on a Friday. Get to move into your natural circadian rhythms. Oh yeah, I was supposed to say the homegirl. I just got text. The homegirl Marbella. She got she's giving a VFX speech on in Los Angeles. She does compositing and stuff. Worked on a lot of movies. I think she worked on Coraline, if I'm not mistaken. One of those what do you call it? Stop motion. Or is it stop motion or 3D or a mixture? Is this showing? Oh yeah. So she's giving a talk in Los Angeles. Man, you gotta pay. I'll show up. I don't need to be. Oh, these are. I hope it's just. They're just making it. You have to pay. If you want a donation, this is donation, man. Nobody turn away for lack of funds. That's good, because I'm broke as a joke, man. And so, hey, she's giving a talk, radical world building through VFX. Radical world building. Join us as we discuss radical world building through VFX and hear from special guest Marbella Cavillo Villa. That's a tongue twister. Marbella Cavillo Villa. Lived. Marbella Cavillo Villa. Marbella Cavillo. Calvillo Bian, I'm probably saying it wrong anyway. Her lived experience as a detribalized Mexican-American artist focusing VFX. Within the technologies of storytelling and VFX, we can remember our cultural histories, reclaim our current situations, and reimagine ourselves and each other's into the future. But by making VFX solutions available to accessible to storytellers of the global majority through actionable education, I invite folks to a different way of thinking when it comes to collaborating together, and together we can foster ethical, creative containers to produce authentic work. I want us to labor less and create more. Ooh, that sounds, that's really, damn, you should write that? That's good, that's a good description. I'm gonna try to check this one out. Hey, that sounds good. I tell her she got the fire ass description. Culture, show your culture through effects and VFX, and that's kind of interesting to me, because like, you know, one of the things that sucks about working for, I guess, you know, working for those big companies and stuff is that, you know, like, they want to erase who you are. You just become a part of the machine, so everybody's the same. Everybody has no culture, everybody has no history, but when you know, that's how you actually reach people. When you you know, when people could connect to something that isn't artificial. I think that's the most powerful. And so what I was looking at is 5 across, 5 up and down. So let me see. I can do I'm trying to get to 20, right? Or I can do 18. Let's just do the major ones, right? Major, I can do 5 by 4, that's 20. Or should I do? Yay, Rick Dole. Thanks for jumping in, man. You're you're my inspiration. Yo, that's a song, right? You're my inspiration. You bring meaning to my life. You're the inspiration. Okay, I'm trying to put together this card. Hustle, hey man, how do you think I forget about Hustle Ball? like hustling. Connect with your fellow hustler. Yeah, man, I'm the inventor of Hustle Ball, so how could I forget that? How can I forget any of my children? You know, I'm not gonna forget those kids. Oh, that's Chicago. I wanna hear your face. I wanna have you near me. I wanna hear you, baby, say it. No one needs you more than I need you. Hey, what's up, Ricky? Come, Karate Kid. I was watching Karate Kid last night. I didn't get to that point. I got to the part where they were at golf and stuff. I don't know if there's more than one golf and stuff. I'm assuming that's the one over in Norwalk or whatever, Downey or whatever it is. I only went there once for Rudy's birthday party. I think that was like 3rd or 4th grade or something. I don't even remember. Maybe it was later than that. So I'm making level layouts. So I'm doing this card matching game. And I'm just making it, trying to force it related to Cheddar Beach. Oh, I broke it because I moved everything around. This isn't gonna work. I have to stop it. How can I fix it? I can just move these back. So let me show you what it looks like. Alright, I might have shown you an earlier version of this. Actually, I could send you a link. Let me send you a link to a work in progress version. This should work on your phone. Vertical aspect ratio, you guys understand that, right? That wording. Sometimes I sound a bit crazy. Okay, this doesn't work either. What happened? Game match. Oh, I have all this stuff underneath it. Jeez, to do this for every freaking thing. Card games, yeah. I wanted to make something. Well, I've been wanting to make a card game forever, or just some card games. I really got inspired. I think I took a trip. I think when I went to Germany, I was on the plane and they had little games you could play on the touch screen, whatever. We watch movies, and they had like a blackjack, and I played that, and I was like, man, I should just make this blackjack game. It was like really basic. And so this is a matching game, and so I got it working, but I'm trying to get it make different levels. It's just this one thing with 25 cards, and it's kind of actually frustrating at this level. Or you know, I guess because I'm trying to do multiple things at once, but it's kind of relaxing. But this is something you can play over and over and over again. I was saying before, the problem with For me, the problem with Cheddar Beach is that because I wrote the story, that there's no surprises. There's no surprises with it for me, so it kind of become pointless for me to play it after I played it like 100 times. But this I can keep on playing, and something we can put out for free, and then you know maybe people can be interested in Cheddar Beach. And I'm also trying to experiment different ways of getting the story across, because I think I'm doing it the most heavy-handed way right now. And so right now I'm just coming up with different level layouts. I'm gonna set up the cards in different arrangements for different levels. Computer spec man. Okay, let me see what he said. I think nothing. Waiting for the plumber. Need a new water heater. Oh hell no. Water heaters. That's the worst thing. I guess it's good when you have it done with, but it's always pain in the butt. Oh, we're gonna have to deal with that at some point. Waiting for the plumber. Those are addicting card games. Okay, what's with the music? What RPG is this, Law? If you're talking about the current song, this is Final Fantasy VII Remake. Part of the soundtrack is like 7 CDs long. This song is called High Five. I think they play this in like the train tunnel or something like that. But it's the battle song, I think. Nerd talk, so nope. No comprende computer spec, man. I understand you. It's just levels. So imagine these are cards, right? Imagine these are cards. Imagine they're in space. Okay, so what is this? 1, 2, 3. This is 20, and then we had 24. I can make so many levels. I can just keep making these smaller. So we have 4 by 5, which is 20, and we can go 22. Wait. 20. You can also do 20 like this. $20. 5 by 4. I want it 22. Either way, it's gonna look kind of weird. 5. I need 6. I can't do that like that. Okay, so I think I should just do it like this. The max is 5 by 5. 5 by 5, 5 by 5. And so really I need to subtract to get, I want 5 by 5, and then I want, what is this, 25, and I want to get rid of 3 of them. There's no good place to take 3 from. You can do it like this. Oh shit. Okay, I thought somebody might have said something. To keep remembering to check, because chat doesn't appear on my screen. Okay, 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my 24. I don't like this though. Maybe this is good enough for now. Can I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Maybe I'll just leave it at that. Okay, I'll do these for now. This is 16, then we got 20, and we got 24. This will work for now. I kind of want to make designs, but I'll spend too long doing that right now. So we'll do... It's like Zelda dungeons. Okay. We got level 1. 1. Dos. San. Cuatro. Go. Seis. Siete. Ocho. 8. That's a good number of stages. It's a good number of stages. I'll put these with where should I put this? I'll just save that. May be useful. Okay. That's something that I would do for the sake of the stream, but it's actually kind of useful for me. Okay, so I'm gonna do this a very quick and dirty way. Just copy and paste all of these cards into each level layout. And then duplicate. I need 8. Got layout 8. Okay. And then for the 8th one, I'm gonna center this a bit so it don't look as janky. Actually, ooh, how do I do that? Okay. Level 8, that's good. Level 1. Where can I put this? I can put it on the side of the screen, right? Something like that. For the sake of the stream, so people give people a visual. This is my level layouts. Side screen hoe. What? Dang, man. I don't even know why I'm a side screen hoe. Oh, side screen hoe. You mean like ahoy? You mean like Thundercats ho? Or you call me a hoe? So, are you using hoe as a, what do you call it? What's as a pronoun? That hoe? A proper noun? That thing? That thing? Okay, so let's see here. Like, 6. So we'll take the first 6 cards and I'll get rid of the rest of them. Delete. Uh-oh. That's only 5. Undo and delete. Okay, and so I'll make these a line. But I'm also make these, because it's less cards, I made them at the smallest for that size. So I'm gonna make the cards bigger now. This is the area. So I can make these, I'm gonna change their size. Layout. Transform. Scale is at 50% scale, or 25% actually. Okay, so they're larger now. Was it I can't think of, what's it called? Hustle and Flow? Whoop that trick. Whoop that trick. You call them hoes. Well, hoe, you know, I guess you could say whoop that trick could be a metaphor. You're not necessarily talking about a trick. You're not necessarily talking about a hoe. You're using it as a figure of speech. I mean, that could be what he meant. Actually, it's probably easier. Is it better to do it like this? These cards are still kind of big. Let me see. How can I do this? Yeah, it's better to do it like that. It's gonna be able to easier to fit. Oh yeah, it's portrait mode for this phone, so vertical is probably preferable than horizontal. So this one I should probably do vertical instead. So do like this. I'm basically trying to fit, if you can see this little gray box, I'm trying to fit everything in that box. That's the way I know that everything's gonna fit into the screen. I'll make your chat look lowbrow. Well, it's all right. We've this is not I don't think you do that bad. There's people catching cases. Nobody's gonna catch a case from this damn chat room. It's not gonna be used for evidence in court or something like that. I'm pretty sure. We're not doing no crimes here. Foul language is alright. That's pretty good. Let's give that a shot. But I have to change how this works. I can do it. I can let's try it like this. And I'll just limit it to 6 cards. Six cards. Where do I set the max cards? 6. Okay, so I've done an hour. I'll probably do. Yeah, I end up just going until I get to a good place. And so let me get all the levels set up, and then I'll quit. Okay, I have the screen, the game. See, this is exactly why I didn't want to, the screen is hidden, so it doesn't do anything. So let's see, screen game, I'm gonna have to hide it. I'll make sure the game shows it automatically. So I will get a reference to it, export, game screen container. And it's going to be control, and I'm just going to show it to make sure it shows every time the game starts. Visible, oops, no, what's it called? Visible equals true. So the problem is that I'm always hiding. The screen is over the game, so when I try to select the card, it moves the screen. So there's screens here. Oh yeah, it's the money, the next round screen. It's gonna have money flying. I set this up, but it's not connected yet. So anyway, for me to edit the level, I have to hide this thing, but I'm gonna forget to unhide it. So I'm trying to set it in the code, so it'll always show it from the code. Screen. I'll call it game screen container. So now it's hidden. I can select my cards. Oops, and undo that. And then when I hit this, I can play the game. Boom, and it shows the next screen. And then now at the next screen, I'm gonna make it so that it goes to the next level. Okay, so let me finish setting up the levels. That's level 1, layout number 1. Oh my god. Now we're getting into politics, then we're gonna get our shit. What do you call it? We wanna make our shit look lowbrow, then I could start talking shit on MAGA people. Sure, trick is open to interpretation. Should fit, that's what she said. Doge has it now. Doge has what? I'm only getting half the. It's supposed to be a fucking meme, man. Like these guys got no idea what's cool or not. What do you consider a good place before it starts? Oh yeah, before it starts getting frustrating. Yeah, actually that is typically. I think I get concerned about or worried about trying to do these streams a lot because a lot of the time. I'm just sitting here frustrated when I'm like working on a game or something like that, This is the early stage, is like when it's prototype and I'm just throwing things together, so it usually isn't too frustrating because it's most of it's like easy stuff and I'm not focusing on the details. I'm just roughing things in. And if something doesn't work right, I'll just go on to something else. Because there's a lot of stuff to do, and a lot of it is just setting up, so it's mostly tedious, and so it's easier for me to just talk during it. And so what gets frustrating, I'm gonna have to go. I'll be right back.
Show me if you can get far. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Now step on the gas. Step on the gas. When I say boom, 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 you say bam, bam, bam. No pause in between. Come on, let's jam. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Step on the brakes. Step on the gas. Step on the gas. I'm glad you know which way to go, but it ain't gonna stop me. Here we
Okay.
go. Check and turn the signal to the
Got some snacks. My pote, white truffle.
Check and turn the signal to the left. Check and turn the signals to the left. Now turn to the left.
Now turn to the left.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho! Stop the car. We got an emergency, can't you see?
Okay, level 2.
Do you know why we stopped the car? Do I know why we stopped the car? Guess. Guess. What? What?
2 by
Do you
4.
know why we stopped the car? Do I know why we stopped the car?
So I need 8.
Guess. What? What?
8 cards.
To close the door. You
Complete the ones that aren't necessary.
Now just don't forget, this ain't kung fu. Come on again. Check and turn the signal to the right. Check and turn the signal to the right. Step on the gas, now turn to the right.
I think I'm liking the vertical cards more.
Turn to the right. Check and turn the signal to the left.
Vertical layout.
And turn the signals to the left. Step on the gas,
Step on the gas, now turn to the left.
Step on the gas, now turn to the left. Step on the brakes.
Step on the gas.
Do you know why we stopped the car again?
Do I know why you stopped the car again? That's because you just got your license.
Yes!
Guess what? Do you know why we stopped the car again? Do I know why we stopped the car again? Okay, so I'm gonna make these cards a little bit bigger. So, how big to make them? Scale 0.25, I guess 0.4, 0.4. Little larger, little larger. Before it gets frustrating, man. Life is full of surprises. Can you imagine? Someone's trying to punk me on Discord. Man, I'm 40 years old, man. People trying to punk me on Discord, and if anything, it's my my art collective, you know. bring me back to school, trying to school me, trying to be like bring me back to corporate society. Can't say what I want to say, can't speak how I want to speak, and we doing this shit for volunteer because we're an art collective and shit. We're like volunteering to be a part of this shit. Motherfucker gonna tell me I gotta use my real name on Discord. Motherfucker, everybody knows who I am. It's not my problem. You don't know who I am. Everybody else fucking knows who I am. I'm talking shit. I'm gonna do my shit talking shit. People listen to me. You can listen to me talk shit, and I can talk shit and make a game. Shit. Now I'll get myself. You want to see some lowbrow content? Are you ready for some low? You ready for some lowbrow? We can take it there. It's the internet. Anything goes. Yeah, you're right. Anything does go. Internet. If there's any place to fuck around and find out, it's on the internet. And this fool, shut up. I said, you don't know who the fuck I am. And you ain't gonna boss me around. And this motherfucker, he was hard as shit, man. Call me class clown and all that kind of stuff. That's how you're gonna start the conversation. Like, okay, shit. He didn't say nothing back. Internet's international waters, ocean of shitty possibilities. But it's a person I met in real life, you know? Come talk that shit. Come to the meeting and talk that shit. See, I think what people don't know when they try to punk me, they don't know I'm the most popular. I'm the most popular person. You're fine, I'll leave. I don't need you, motherfucker. Here we go. We got 8 cards now. Went from 6 to 8. From ragtop to men's. Yeah, motherfuckers, just jealousy. I think that's what. Yeah, it's just motherfuckers jealous. I guess I'm realizing that now. I don't know. I'm just me. You know. I don't really think about much what other people think. You know. I think in my head. I guess I think in my head like, oh, this is what motherfucker might think about me and that kind of stuff. But it's usually my own personal insecurities, that kind of thing. But I don't really pay attention to people like that, man. Like, people want to. I don't know, man. Where am I going? Where am I going with this? I ain't fake, fraud, plastic man. Yeah, it's like shit, man. I don't know. But it's always that one. It's like the one person has a problem with me, but nobody else has a problem. Everybody's just chilling. We chilling here, man. We're just making art. That's my whole thing. We're making art and shit. He's trying to bring it like we're in the fucking classroom. Maybe I don't even know this dude. I don't know if he's maybe the teacher. He's trying to act like he's trying to bring structure, I guess, to our organization. I understand that, but we're still fucking making art and shit, you know. We're making art that, you know, fucking. We're making a robot that plays fucking music and shit. And so it's like, why you gotta be so like serious? We're making fun shit. We're inspiring kids, you know? Next generation. If there's any place to not be serious, it's what the fuck we're doing, you know what I'm saying? Because you could be serious at your fucking day job. Here we go. Oh, it's this dude in our collective. So you know we're doing the art projects, right? We had the robot that plays music. The next version of it was that show you didn't make it to. Mr. Richtel exam. Because people want to be the leader when they can't even leave. You know, I think you nailed the, what do you call it? I never know the saying. nail the hammer on the head or the nail. I don't know the saying, but you definitely did it. Cause I don't know who this guy is. I've been a part of this group for like 5 years, and maybe he's been involved, you know, in the background or something. But I'm the one I show up every fucking Wednesday, or not every Wednesday. That's an exaggeration, but I show up a lot. And this motherfucker ain't at the meetings, and so I don't know how you can think you can get off telling me nothing when the people that found this shit they're the homies. So they didn't say nothing wrong with me. The motherfucker comes in and manages the Discord and act like act like he's running shit. Maybe he's running the Discord, yeah, but he ain't gonna tell me to change my fucking name when everybody knows who the fuck I am, just cause you don't. Just cause nobody knows your fucking alias. I've been on here. These chips are bomb as hell though. I got these at a grocery outlet. I guess they're technically on clearance or something like that. It's 99%. What a cunt. We don't use this language here. But even if it might be true. These are bomb though. 99-cent bags. They have a couple left. I might buy more. They're Japanese. They're super salty though. Probably not. I don't think any chip is healthy technically. Anything that tastes so good can't be healthy for you. Yo, I want to show something, and I apologize if somebody's watching and they're the person that brought this shit. Yo, Ricto, look what I got. Y'all seen this? Vegan jerky. It's got hella protein. I know it's healthy for you, but plant-based jerky, this shit just like, this has me confused. I gotta try it though at some point. My plan is to have another party. I don't know who brought it. I'm trying to think of who's a healthy individual that came through. One of the homies, I know he's healthy as hell, but he brought Girl Scout cookies. And so, I don't know who's the next healthiest person. I don't know, and I don't even know if it was the last party or a party before. Fucking vegan jerky. I would think it's just made of mushrooms or something. It says it's soybean fiber, sugar. It's got sugar in it, so how can it be healthy? Canola oil, soy sauce, salt, ginger powder, licorice powder, chili powder, sorbic acid. It's got some good flavors in it, so it might actually taste good. But I think what's like, why you gotta call it jerky though? Because it has all kinds of connotations. That's where a lot of the fucking vegetarian shit gets fucked up. Is like, just call it its own thing instead of making it try to be something it ain't. Ain't no Slim Jim. Ain't no fucking vegan Slim Jim. Even I guess, but Slim Jim, maybe Slim Jim's even pushing it. Is that really beef jerky? And so it's a beef jerky like product, but I don't know if you actually can call it beef jerky. Maybe it's beef jerky because like it doesn't have to be refrigerated or something like that. Technically, is jerky. Okay, level 2 works. Let's do level 3. Because it's jerking you around with this description. Okay. Yeah, you should be in marketing, fool. You're the best marketer. Wait, you know, because the marketer has to be able to take some bullshit and then turn it into some like something, some gleaming, shiny shit, I guess. Okay, well, here we go. We gotta do 2 by 5. Wait, how else can we make 10? It's looking the same, so let's see. We got 2x4. Okay, I can just add 2 cards to the side. I'll make 10 as well. So I can just copy these. Oops, this is the wrong one. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, so this is Super Mario RPG. This is Super Mario RPG music. And that's the music by Super Mario RPG is the same musician that did the music for Street Fighter 2. Unless let me make sure I'm lying. I can't be lying on the internet. Lying on the internet is the worst thing you can do because everybody's gonna fucking prove you wrong. Or you just make yourself look like a fool. Composer is Yoko Shimomura. So the same, and then Isao Abe. So not completely the same one person. So 2 people worked on the music for Street Fighter 2. But the same person that did Street Fighter 2 music did Super Mario RPG and went on to do Kingdom Hearts as well. And Final Fantasy 15. It's not a Slim Jim, it's its own thing, its own category. Like a Slim Jim, I imagine you can still eat a Slim Jim like 1,000 years into the future, like that. It'll still be good. You know, it'll grow, it'll even grow. It'll like one Slim Jim will become 2. They'll start to like, cells will divide and they'll become multiple organisms. I don't think anything will make it go bad. I just always remember, I love the taste of the Slim Jim, but I always remember like I don't even know if it fully digests. Because there's a part that you chew it and it'll just always like, always exist, I guess. You just gotta swallow the chunk of fat whole or something like that, or spit it out. It's like gum. Yes, it turns like to gum, right? I haven't had one of those things in such a long time. That used to be one of my favorite snacks as a kid, like going to the liquor store and shit. I'm pretty sure the only time I ever bought Slim Jim was at the liquor store. For some reason. Why would I buy a liquor store? You could buy candy and I'm gonna buy buy Slim Jim. It's one of those things that costs like under $1, so just like a impulse buy. I need 1 on each side actually. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna do something weird. Let's do like this. I'm trying to make it add up to 10 cards. But I just don't want to use the same pattern over and over again. Oops. It's gonna be a bad start. Like all of my streams from the future are just gonna devolve into shit talking. Well, it just happened, and then the homies on here, Rick Tool. All right, peace out. Walk the dogs. Go pick up some dog shit. Maybe one of these days I'll be a dog owner and I'll understand. I don't know if I ever actually picked up dog poop, but I can imagine the feeling of my hand touching the hot dog poop, and that makes me disgusted. I don't think I ever done it without a shovel or something like that. Number 4. We got 4 by 4. I can start with, this is just getting messy now. I'm gonna have to make the layouts and then clean it up later. Change to the renaming. They all have to have unique names, or they're selected by their name. So card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'm copying and pasting them, the names will get kind of funky. am I supposed to do? So I'll do it. Okay. On the side. On the other side. I don't even know what this music is from. This is from Final Fantasy VII, I think. Is it Final Fantasy? Or is it Final Fantasy IX? Oh man. We get sent to HR again. Huh. A little bit too big. That's what I need, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it right. Let's do it. Duplicate. And another duplicate. We got 4, 8, 10, 12. A little bit too big that I want them to fit into this black area. This little area here. .3. Bing, bing. Actually, I can set it to anything. If I just set it to 3-4, it'll fit. No, it won't fit. 3-3. Okay, let's try to put these in order at least. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that should work. Numero 5. 4x4. This is why I wanted to align everything initially, but I guess that was a waste of time. I'm gonna have to align these anyway. Number 5. So 4x4. We could basically use this layout. Oops. 16. Ah! Oops, okay, I copied and pasted wrong. Not as bad as I thought. Okay, I just copied and pasted the layout part. 4x4. 6 is... Oh, 5 is the same thing with some subtractions. Okay, so... 6 is 4x4. Damn it. I copied the cars, not the parents. Okay. 4x4. So for this one, I have to delete these two. It's supposed to be 14 total. Oops. It's not showing. Okay. Oh yeah, it does have Street Fighter in here. So whoever was talking about Street Fighter, oh yeah, oh shit man, you're right. It has Street Fighter in here. Me and Bryson. Man, this is M. Bison boss. I can remember this song a lot, but I hate fighting M. Bison. I guess we always pick the M. Bison stage anyway to hear the. But M. Bison's music must be different. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, Shichi. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just delete these. I'll just delete these. Then. This is getting messy, but whatever. I don't think it makes a difference. I'm supposed to have 20 total. 4 times 5. I have to figure the gaps. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 05. I have to have all the numbers in order or else it's going to freak out. Wait, what did I just do? I just renamed it 20? Oh, I don't have a 20. I need 22. It's going to be 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to be 10. 23 is going to be 15. It's gonna be 20. Doo-doo-doo. And then we have 8, which is where we were. Okay. So I'm assuming each one of these works. And I'll have to switch between each one of them. Card container. card container. So I'm gonna make it. So right now I have to change which container or which container. So the way the game works now, it looks for the container and all the children. So card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Right now it's always this card container because initially there was only one set of cards. Now there's 8 sets. So I'm just going to change the parent, and first I need references to each level container. So let's call this level layout 01. I'll make one for each level. I could do this through code, but I'm just going to do it this way. 6, 7, 7, 8. There we go. I have to have some kind of set of data to tie, basically to tie the level to how many cards are in the level. Okay, how would I do that? I need an array. Okay, I'll do this like, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's see. I need a dictionary though. Can you do this? I don't know if you do this. How do you do a new dictionary? So a dictionary can just set up like this. So layout, it's gonna be layout 1. Card total. It's going to be 6. I think I just have to do this. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it goes from 6. 6, 8, 10. What's that? 12. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 7 and 8, 16. That's 20, and then 24. Okay, and I have to remember to assign all of these level layouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Card container. I don't need this for anything, so I shouldn't be using that. Card container. Ooh. I'll say current card container. So the container's on a switch depending on what level you're on. Okay. So I get current level. Current level. Current score, current round. Okay, I'll use current round as a level. Current level data. Oops. I'm being inconsistent here. Current level data. It's on dictionary. Dictionary can't be null, can it? What can I don't know, I guess I don't have to do anything. I have to do a new dictionary or something. That's just me. Oh, I missed some messages here. I gotta go. Oh yeah, alright man, thanks for dropping by. Sorry if I missed your message earlier. Catch you next team. But thanks for coming through. Appreciate it's my friends when my friends come through and they make me act myself. So it makes me feel more comfortable. Friends and family actually, yeah. Level data. So I'll do something. Reset round. It's like get current round. This is gonna set everything to what it's supposed to be based on what level it is. So level data, current level data equal, I have to say round data. I gotta be consistent, right? So I can use level data, so I'm gonna call it round data. So I'm gonna redo these. Round layout. Current round data. Current round data equals round data. What's the current round? Current round. Is current round used anywhere? Current round. Okay. Does that work? Round data is not. Current round data. Current round data. Get current round. Match. Get current round. Oops. Current round. And then what else do I want to do? Get the current round. And I want to set. Set. What was it? Card total? I'm gonna call it current card total. Current card total. Current card total. Let's switch that. Current card total. Oh my god, where is it? There's an error somewhere. Wait, no. I know I'm using that variable. Where is it? Okay. Card total is what it is. Card total. Current card total equals current round dot. Is it dot? Card total. Okay, and then current round, and then current level layout, or current, what was it? Current card container, current card container. These are all things that change depending on the level, so I'm just going to keep them together. Card. Get current round. Current card to the container equals current round data dot layout. Get current round. If I do this on level start or something. Level, was it reset round? Start round. So reset round, then get current round, then do all that stuff. And then current round equals 1, reset game. It shouldn't be used. The reset game is not being used right now. So, to do next round. Card total, current card total. Round complete. Next round. So I'm in round complete. Show screen. Okay, on game next. Start round. So start round. Instead of start round, I do next round. Next round, which then calls start round. Next round is going to iterate. It's going to iterate look at max rounds. Max rounds. Current round. It's more of a setting. Round data. Max rounds equals. I don't know how to do this. It's 8. So current round is 1. So I start at 1. Start at 1. Can I do const? I don't know how this works. Const. Max round is 8. So I have to do actually current round minus 1. Current round minus 1. And then next round is current round. If current round is less than, say max round, I have to put max rounds. Current round plus 1. Next round. Next rounds. Next round. And this should win game. I don't have a win screen right now. So I'm just gonna start the game again. Okay, and then I use next round instead of, where's next round? What is this? It's like some remix version. This is also Black Mages. Game next. Well, let's see if this works. Errors. Ooh, this isn't gonna work, is it? Actually, it will work by itself. Index 0. Main card. Start round. Set cards. Cards. Array size 0. What adds cards? So start round. Get card refs. Where is this called? I have to do that first. So get current round, and then I get the references immediately after that. get current revs based on the card's roll. Start round. Get card reps. Oh, I didn't change it to card container. I changed it to current card container. Goodness, it's already 2 hours. Almost there. What's going on there? Oh, I have to show it too, but it didn't work. Get card container. Node on a null value. Oh, I didn't update the references. I changed everything. I have to show each one as well. So I have to make a function to hide all of these actually. I'm gonna do hide layout, hide round layouts. Same thing as before. I have to make sure these are all invisible. Visible equals false. And I'll show it when it's selected. Oops. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let me get the layout, dot layout. And then if oops. Visible equals true. To make sure the other layout levels aren't showing as well. I think it might work, but they're just not showing. Let's see. Current card container, get node on a current card container. 0. There's no. Current card container is no. So it's supposed to be set here. So get current round. Get current round 1. See what it found. Found that. It's an array. It's a dictionary. Let's see if this works. Found. Oh, how do you access the dictionary? I might be doing this wrong. Like an array? Okay, let's try that. I thought you could do it both ways, but maybe I'm wrong. Card total. Current card total. Wait. Oh, I have to do it like this. Wait, what? Card total. It's a string. Okay, so this works. I'm accessing the dictionary, or yes, the dictionary. Okay, so 152. Current card total equals 6. Huh. So, maybe I didn't set the things. Current card total is 6. Layout. Ground layout 1. Ground layout 1. Current card container. Layout 1. Ground layout 1. How come I can't step? So I'm not playing right now. Okay. Current card container equals null. So layout. That doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Doesn't work. Okay, I guess I do have to find it by name then. Can't put it in a dictionary. I can't initialize it with this stuff in it. So so it may work. Maybe I'm doing it too early. I'm doing it already. I have to initialize it. I mean, it doesn't make any much difference if I do it that way. I just don't like doing it this way. Let's just see if it works. I can just make an initialized date level or something. Hit rounds. Maybe this will work. Let's hope. Does that mean it actually worked? Let's see if the dot worked. Okay, that works. Just not the way I want to do it initially, but that's alright. Just have to be redundant. This doesn't work. I can't have a reference to these things before the game starts. Okay, that's better. I mean, it could be worse. Okay, so I wanted to see if this actually worked. I was trying to use dots. I was confusing myself. Does this work? Works. Moment of truth. Does it move on to the next round? Yeah, it works. Okay. Doesn't update the UI yet. Oh, it works. Yeah, baby. Sort of works. I don't know. It seems like you can't click on things. Or I'm just moving too fast. Can't click. Wait. What's up with that? I can't click here. Can't click in the middle. Clicking issues aside, it works. Yeah, there's something weird. Let's see. I might have made... Oh, okay, this freaking works. Okay. I might have to do with these things. They're all set to ignore. Ignore. It could be something weird else. Actually, let me take a look one more time. What's going on? Okay, I'm basically got to where I wanted. I wanted to get the different levels working, so I'm about to jump off the stream in a bit to give y'all a fair warning. I just want to test, double check, cross my T's and dot my E's. Trying to figure out why this clicking doesn't work perfectly. See, I can't click right here. What could be going on here? Oh, the game screen. Maybe that's blocking it. No. What could be here? Okay, card container. Ooh, I didn't. Oh, that's right. I have hide round layouts. I only hide it at the start, I think. It's just, why am I even calling it? Duh. So I have to hide this at the start of every round. Reset round. So I'll hide the layouts. Small bug. Retry. Very good. Use something. It's called use something because it's also the win and lose screen, and I haven't set it up to be dynamic and display something different. I just put something in between. Oh, it works. Okay. I'm gonna jump off. I was gonna do a 1 hour stream. What is this? It's at 2 hours and 20 minutes. All right, thank y'all for watching, lurking, or just listening. And catch you next time. I think I might maybe switch off to some Zelda next. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Later.